किया? Who is going to tell me?
Can I tell?
Please use your
Finger
class
or
norms. Class norms is going to be raise your hand when you want to speak, and you have to use your Zoom hands. Then you will listen to the speaker. Rest everybody will stay on mute, and you have to be best. You have to do your best, and you have to be kind. Okay, I can see the first one to give the raise hand is 1 second. Daksh, you are in batch 2, beta.
Okay, Didi.
So this is not your time of English. This is your math class. So please go to math class. Okay, I am asking Apurva to answer for me. Yes, Apurva, go ahead.
दीदी कल हमने प्लूरल सीखा था.
Singular and plural. Okay. And what did we learn in singular and plural? क्या सीखा हमने singular plural में? Anybody else wants to say? Okay, I want Meera to
Can
try.
I say?
Meera to try. 1 second.
Can I say?
Who's speaking? Meera, you can answer. What? After Meera, Riya will speak. Okay. Meera, Apurva said that we learned something about
Singular and plural, दीदी.
भाग्यश्री, आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपको? भाग्यश्री, भाग्यश्री साइन आउट करके फिर से साइन इन करो, लॉग आउट करो क्लास में से, फिर से वापस लॉग इन करो.
Yes, दीदी.
Okay.
Didi, we learned singular and plural yesterday and the rules of it.
Okay.
Good morning.
So,
and for
good
homework,
morning.
we did the definition of singular and plural and written the rules of it, Didi.
Okay. So, like Meera said absolutely correctly that we did singular and plural and we did rules of it. Now, Riya will tell me.
That's why I know.
See, this is important that you should always do the work that Didi sends you, so you know what is happening in the class. Now, I want Riya to tell me what were the 2 rules that we studied about. कौन से 2 rules हमने पढ़े? What were those rules?
First rule is add s in the end, and second rule is if the singular noun ends in s, ss, sh, sh, x, or o, add es to the end to make it plural.
Very good. Is she correct, Ganesh? Ganesh, did she say the right thing, beta Ganesh?
Yes.
Did she say the right thing? सही कहा Riya ने?
Yes.
Will you want to repeat it? Yes, Ganesh. Rule number 1. What is the rule number 1, Ganesh?
Answer. Mic no on.
भाग्यश्री, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, दीदी.
Okay. So now stay on mute. अगर कभी भी अगर ऐसा हो कि दीदी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है तो आप जल्दी से साइन आउट करो, क्लास लीव करो और फिर से ज्वाइन करो. ओके?
Yes, दीदी.
Okay. कभी कभी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होता है, so sometimes we face technical problems and network issues, then we'll sign out, leave the class and we join again.
वापस करके हो माइक में हुई है, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है तो क्लास वापस लीव कर देगा, वापस ज्वाइन करने का.
Super. Thank you for that. Now, Ganesh, please stop writing, beta. What are you completing? क्या लिख रहे हैं हम? Okay. Switch on your camera so I can see you. I can see a lot of you have switched off your camera. Tanaya Savant. Tanaya Savant, you are not in this class, beta. You are in 4th standard. Please join your 4th standard class.
दीदी.
जी.
दीदी वो रिया ने ना राइट कहा, अगर वो सेकंड रूल ना मैं मुझे अच्छे से समझाओ कि मैं दीदी.
Riya ने already explained कर दिया. We will go to the next one now, Meera. We have already done the first and the second one, and Riya has explained the second one as well. So if any word,
the second one is right. Riya said second. The rule she said is right.
Yes, thank you for letting me know that, beta. Now in the second one, if a letter ends, I'm just going to share my screen, but before that, I'm going to put everyone on mute. Please stay on mute so that Didi can explain you the next maze ke 2 rules. Okay, let's just stay on mute, and Didi is now going to share her screen. Dum dum da da. Where's my screen? Screen bhai kahan ho aap? Okay, there's your screen. So like we saw in singular plural, Didi is going to disable the annotation and switch on her spotlight so that it is easier for everyone. What happened? Annotation just were not disabled, I believe. 1 second. Okay, now let's clear all the drawings and we go to spotlight. Okay, now we saw in singular plural that singular noun is a noun of one item. I'm just going to quickly revise it. One person, one place, one animal, or one thing. But a plural is a name, is a noun of many place, many person, many animal, or many things. So number of people increases. Okay, now rule number 1 says if you want to convert anything from singular to plural, किसी भी चीज को अगर singular to plural करना है, so you can add s in the end. That is rule number 1. Then we played a little game. And now then we did rule number 2. Rule number 2 says everyone eyes on the screen. If anything ends, कोई भी word अगर s, double s, sh, ch, x or o से end हो, then we will add es in the end. We saw example, brush will turn to brushes. We only add es in the end. Box and fox end with x, so we will add es in the end. Now, these are not just 2 rules in singular to plural. There are 4 rules. So today we will quickly look at the third rule, third and amazing rule. Okay, hocus pocus. Stay on mute and say it. Hocus pocus. Everyone focus. Yes, I want to see everyone on my screen, focusing on the screen. This rule is very important. Now, in the third rule, third and the most important one is if a word ends with F or FE. अगर कोई word F or FE पर end हो, so Didi, what to do? Should we add S? Should we add ES? What to do? So it says no. You will remove the F if there is only one F, okay? But if there is FE, you will remove FE, both the letters you will remove, and you will add VES to make it from singular to plural. अगर कोई लेटर के एंड में F या FE रहा तो आप F हो तो अगर F है तो आप F को निकाल दोगे, अगर F ही तो है अगर तो फिर आप FE को भी निकाल दोगे और उसकी जगह पर उनके रिप्लेसमेंट में आप VES लिखोगे. Now look at the first example. I want Laiba to first read the rule for me. Laiba, unmute yourself and read the rule for me, beta Laiba.
Yes, Didi.
Read the rule. Words that
end with F, FE, change FEF to VES.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, read the examples, beta.
Example:
Calf, calf,
calf,
calves, calves. Calf means a baby. Have you seen a buffalo? Have you seen a cow? Cow का baby देखा है जिसको हम बछड़ा भी कहते हैं, right? That is called calf in English. If it is one calf, एक baby है, it is calf. But if the cow has many babies, it will become calves. What will it become? Everyone, please repeat on mute. Calves. The sound of verb. Calves. Yes. Now, for example, next one. Please read the next example, Malaiba.
Wife.
Wives. Yes. If it is one wife, it is one wife. एक बीवी है, so it is wife. बहुत सारी बीवी है, तो it will become wives. Everyone repeat wives. Faisal. Wives. आपको म्यूट पे ही बोलना है बेटा. Wives. Thank you. Next word, Laiba.
Live.
Life.
Life.
Lives. लाइव्स. लाइफ यानी एक जिंदगी, बहुत लोगों की जिंदगियां. इन हिंदी दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल. So it is one person, one living thing, it is one life. But if you have lot of, then it is called lives. Acha, how many of you play video games? Quickly type yes in the chat box. How many of you play video games? Type yes in the chat box. Jaldi se write chat box mein yes if you know how to play video games. Or if you play video games on your phone, on your papa's phone, mama's phone, didi bhaiya's phone, your own tabs. No, Laiba does not play video game. Okay. Apurva plays, Rakshit plays, yes. So in your games also, we don't have one life. We sometimes have 3 lives, yes. एक बार मर गए फिर एक और चांस, फिर एक बार मर गए फिर एक और चांस, फिर जब थर्ड टाइम मर जाते then game over. Yes? Am I right or am I wrong? Okay, so I can see Pradeep also saying that he plays. Yes, Ronak says yes. Okay, right. Palak says right. So you get 3 lives. Similarly, here also, if you see, when you are playing, you have last agar bachi hai, to you have 1 life, but you have all the 3 lives. Okay, now 100 times. Pranav plays 100 times. Okay, Pranav. Okay. Now we will have a little game. What do you say? You want to play a little game? Show me a thumbs up if you want to play a little game. Yes, yes. Meera is so excited. She's jumping. Ronak is also jumping. Yes, Ronak wants to play a game. Yes, everybody's jumping. Okay, we will play the same game that we were playing in the last class. I am going to show you a word and you are going to have your fingers on your chat box and you're going to type the answers. Okay? कल की तरह आज भी मैं word दिखाऊंगी. Rule display पर रहेगा and you will change the word from singular to plural. Okay? Are we ready? Say yes in the chat box if you are ready. Say yes in the chat box if you are ready. Okay, Rakshit is ready. Riya is ready. Payal, Faisal, Ronak, Anamika, Apurva. All right. So look at the word. What does it say? What will you change? Look at your rule and write your answer in the chat box. Come on, Bhagishri, I'm looking for your answer also. Rakshit, Palak, Faisal, they've already started answering. Yes, Bhagishri, correct, beta. Very good, Karthik, Payal. Come on, answer, Apurva, Rakshit, Payal. I can see Bhagishri also answering again. Very good. I want more people to answer. Come on, Faisal. Come on, Laiba. Ganesh, Pradeep, Anamika, Poonam Gajbare. Write your answer, children. Come on, let's see. Ansh More, Niyati, Tetna. Come on, write your answers, children. Iska singular ye hai. What will the plural be? Come on, Komal, Rakshit, Payal. Payal ne already likha hai. Durva, Pranav, Siddhiksha, write your answer, beta Siddhiksha. I can see so many responses in the chat box. It is so nice to see so many of you writing. Let's check our answer. Tang, 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 tang. Ready? Answer check karenge? Answer check करेंगे. Dun 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 dun. Yes. So all those who correct answer beta Siddhiksha. Gianna, check your spelling, Gianna. Rule याद रखो बेटा. Read Gianna. Look at the rule बेटा. If you have F or FE in the end, उस दोनों को हटा देना है और उसकी जगह पर VES लगाना है. That is a simple rule. चलो, now we go one more. एक और. One more please. I want to play one more. ठीक है? ठीक है. भाग्यश्री ready है? भाग्यश्री is ready? Say, show me a thumbs if you're ready. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, everyone. Go to the chat box and answer. Come on, Laiba. Jaldi. Answer. The word is on the screen. Very good. I can see Riya, Bhagyashri, Rakshit, Gianna, Meera, Karthik. Come on. Yes, Niyati. Superb. Ganesh, Apurva. I want you to check your spellings, children. Check your spellings. This is L. check your spellings. A lot of you are making a little silly mistake with spelling, beta. Check your spelling. Write your answer quickly, fast, fast. Check your spelling. Komal has written Sidiksha correct. Rakshit correct. Yes, Karthik correct, correct. Now the right answers are pouring in. Very good, very good. Keep answering, Pranjali. Very good, beta. Pranjali, check your spelling, beta. Pranjali, rule ko yaad rakho, beta. Look at the rule. What are you to do if you want to change it from singular to plural, beta, Pranjali? Bhagyashri, check your spelling, beta. Bhagyashri, rule yaad rakhna hai, beta. What will you change in place of F or FE? F होगा तो भी हटा देना है, FE हुआ तो भी हटा देना है. What will you add? Now you have given the right answer, Bhagyashri. Superb, superb. Let's check our answer. Tang, 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 tang. Ta-da. So if it is an F, we will only remove the F and put VES. HAL को हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, वो as it is नीचे आएगा. HAL will not be moved or changed, but only the F will change to VES. Okay. Now we go to the. I want to play one more. Actually, I want to play two more. Not one more. I want to play two more. Okay. Come on, jaldi, 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 jaldi. Let's go to the chat box and write our answers. Go. Quickly write your answer. Quickly write your answer. Come on, Riya, Pranav, Meera, Ronak, write your answers. You don't have to raise hand. You just have to pour your answer there. Yes. Quickly, quickly, quickly. I want to see more responses. More responses. Yes, Poonam, Karthik, Rakshit. Very good, Anamika. Very good. Very good, Rakshit and Ronak and Apurva. Keep writing your answers. Ansh is also giving the correct answer. Ganesh, Niyati. Place your answers. Quickly type your answers. Yes, Bhagyashri, absolutely correct, bache. Okay, we will check the answer. Ta, 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 ta-dum. So it was FE in the end. We changed the FE and replaced it with a VES. We did not change the starting spelling. K and I remained the same, but FE had changed to VES. Okay, Faisal, are you able to understand, Faisal? Samajh raha hai, bachche? Okay, one last one for this rule. 1, 3, 2, 1. It's a shelf. How do you change it? Yes, shelf, shelf. Yes, Laiba. Yes, shelf. Come on, everyone, quickly write. Check your spellings. Yes, Pranjali, shelves. Likhna hai, beta. Yes, Pranjali. Very good. Pranav, Karthik. Laiba, check your spelling, beta. Niyati, okay. Very good, Bhagyashri. And yes, Karthik, Sidiksha. Ronak. Ronak, check your spelling. Komal, correct. Beta Ganesh, correct. Poonam, check your spelling. Pradeep, check your spelling. Bache, please check your spelling. Yes, Karthik. Yes, Apurva. Correct answers, beta. Very good. I can see a lot of you are able to answer this, which is very, very nice to see. All right, now we will check the answer. Tan 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 tan. So the F was changed to a VES. Rest of the spelling remained same. बाकी की spelling change नहीं किए हैं हमने. And we only change the F to VES as per rule number 3. Please check your spelling, children. आप लोग आगे की spelling change कर रहे हो, आगे की spelling नहीं change करना है. Only F has to go away with replacing it with a VES. Nothing else. Rajkumar Bele, please check your spelling, बेटा. आपने बहुत अच्छा attempt किया है. Just a small little mistake with spelling. Check your spelling, Rajkumar. Okay. Now, this was the rule number 3. We also have a rule number 4. So I want Pranav Jadhav to unmute himself and help us with rule number 4. Thank you, Jagdish, beta.
Yes,
Pranav,
Didi.
please read the next rule for us, beta. Rule number 4.
Rule number 4. Words that end with Y, change the Y to IES.
So if it is something that ends with Y, we remove the Y. Y को cut कर देना है, उसे हटा देना है. And we have to replace it with an IES. Yes, beta.
और दीदी जब मुझे आप टाइप कर रहे हो, टैग कर रहे हो तो प्रणव जादव बोलना, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया।
बेटा
क्योंकि
आप
आपने
in this
आप
batch,
प्रणव बोला ना।
in this batch we only have Pranav Jadhav. Pranav Pawar is in batch 2 beta, so don't worry, it is only you.
नॉट इधर, इधर है वो।
है okay, let me see. Okay, I'll take your name with Pranav as Pranav Jadhav. Okay, Pranav Pawar is in this class. Okay, that reminds me I should ask Prakash. Okay, okay, thank you so much. Okay, now please read the example for me, Ganesh. Ganesh, read the example. Ganesh is writing so much. Oh my God, what are you writing, Ganesh? Chalo, unmute yourself. This is not your Bada Khadi time. This is your English class time, beta. If you're going to listen to that, you're not going to listen to this, you will not understand. आप यहाँ पे ध्यान नहीं दोगे, आपको ये रूल नहीं समझ आएंगे, you will not be able to do your work. Please pay attention. This is important. Read the examples for me. Sky.
स्काई,
Sky.
स्काइट,
Lady.
लेडी,
Ladies.
लेडीज,
City.
क्या है?
City.
सिटी,
Cities.
सिटीज।
Thank you so much. Now here, if you look in the example, everyone, hocus pocus. Everyone focus. Yes. The Y in all these words was removed and was replaced with IES. Jahan jahan Y tha, we removed it and we put IES in its place. This is how you make singular to plural for words that end with Y. Yes, Niyati, please explain rule number 4 in your own words. Niyati, अपने words में explain करो दीदी ने rule number 4 क्या समझाया.
नो दीदी,
नहीं, you do not understand, Niyati?
नो दीदी।
Okay, so the word that ends with Y, जो भी words है जिनके end में Y आता है, तो हम उनको singular में से plural करने के लिए we remove the Y, हम Y को हटा देते हैं, remove कर देते हैं और बाकी की spelling के साथ IES लगा देते हैं, तो वो singular से plural बन जाता है.
यस
Okay, Pranjali, you want to tell us the
दीदी,
rule
मैं
number
थोड़ा
4?
देर लेट हुई थी, इसलिए मुझे समझ नहीं आया। जितना समझ आया उतना
Who is
शॉर्ट
speaking?
वॉइस में लिख
Who
दो।
is speaking? Who is speaking?
नहीं आती।
Okay, Niyati, please go on mute and please stay with us, beta. Class recordings are also uploaded on YouTube channel of school. So if you miss the class, make sure you go and watch it. YouTube channel जो है स्कूल का, उसमें भी क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड होती है. प्लीज वहां पर जाकर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग्स में जो भी आपने मिस किया उसे कवर कर लीजिए, ताकि आपको समझ आए क्लास में क्या चल रहा है बच्चे. फिर भी ना समझे, यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क मी, आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू हेल्प यू. ओके, थैंक यू. प्रांजलि, रूल नंबर 4 क्या कहता है? प्रांजलि, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टेल मी बेटा. अनम्यूट कीजिए बेटा, अनम्यूट कीजिए.
मैम मुझे मालूम नहीं।
आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस वंस अगेन, प्लीज पे अटेंशन टू द क्लास. अगर y है लास्ट में, कोई भी वर्ड के एंड में y है, तो आप उस y को सिंगुलर में रखोगे ना. अगर उसे प्लूरल बनाना है तो इसके y को हटा दोगे और उसकी जगह पर IES लगाओगे. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस मच? वेयर इज प्रांजलि? प्रांजलि, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड बेटा? y हटाना है, IES लगाना है सिंगुलर से प्लूरल करने के लिए. ओके, नाउ we will have a small little game. Please lower your hands, all of you. Lower your hands, lower your hands. We don't have anything to ask here. We are going to play a little game one more time. Please lower your hand. हाथ नीचे कर लीजिए सारे बच्चे, अपने अपने हाथ नीचे कर लीजिए. Thank you so much. Lower your hand, children. Please lower your hands. Yes, let me see. Now we will play one more game of this rule. I hope you are all ready. First is finger first. Let's see who answers first. 3, 2, 1. Lily. Lily. Turn this into plural. ये singular है, plural answers चाहिए जल्दी से chat box में. Come on, Niyati, I want your answer also. Singular to plural, very good. I can see all of you are answering. Very good, very good. Kartik, Apurva, Niyati, Ronak, Siddhiksha, Pranav, Jadav, Poonam, Ansh. Very good, Meera. All these answers are correct, beta. Keep writing, keep writing. Very good, very good. Yes. Bhagyashri, I want you to type your answers also, beta. Yes. Pranav Pawar, please write your answer. Bhagyashri, इसका अब क्या बनेगा plural, beta? What will this turn into plural? Yes. Pranav Pawar, I want answers coming from everyone. Please send your answers. Ganesh, write your answer. Chetna Chaudhary, you can also write your answer, please. Thank you. Pradeep Kumawat, write your answer in the chat box. Yes. Yes, so many of you responding so well. I can see that in the chat box. My chat box is so active at the moment. Now let's check the answer. Ta 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 ting. Yes. We can see that the Y in the lily has been removed. इसको निकाल दिया और उसके replacement में IES लगा दिया. Didi has also underlined it for your understanding. Superb. Now we have one more word. Chalo, let's see. 3. Paranjali, be ready, beta. 3, 2, 1, and go. Come on, just let's write answers in the chat box quickly. DUTY, duty. Very good, Riya, Karthik, Arakshit. Very good, superb. First answers coming in from these students. Very good, very good. Keep writing, Faisal. Super, beta. Pranav Pravar, I'm still waiting for your answer, beta. Anamika, write your answer. Very good, Akila. Very good, very good. Superb. Keep writing your answer. Chetna Chaudhary, you can also answer. Ansh, answer it, beta. Very good, Niyati and Karthik. Very good, Rakshit, Roshni. Very good. Keep writing your answers. Let me see your answers coming in the chat box. Yes. Superb, superb. Sidiksha, write your answer in the chat box. Durva, you can write. Rajkumar, please write your answer. Sarthak Pritam Veer, write your answer. Very good. Now let's check the answer. Ta 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 ting. If you can look at the answer, you can see that the Y in the end has been changed to IES. Y hataya, IES laga diya to make it from singular to plural. Ek duty, bahut sari duties. Okay, we will have one more. We will have one more of this rule now. 3, 2, and 1. Quickly write your answers in the chat box, everyone. Go to the chat box and write your answer to this one also. Siddhiksha is the first one to answer. Amazing done, beta. Amazingly done. Siddhiksha is the first one to write it. Yes. Rakshit, Karthik, come on, come on. Bhagyashri, check your spelling. Very good, Rakshit. Very good, Bhagyashri. Now you have given the right spelling, beta. Very good, Akila. Very good, Niyati. Superb, superb, Rakshit. Keep writing your answers, everyone. Ganesh, Poonam, Karthik, Anamika. Amazing answers. Jagdish, please check your spelling, beta. Okay, Bhagyashri, correct answer, beta. Everyone, please type your answers, beta. Rajkumar Bele, please write your answer. Pranav Pawar, Roshni, very good, beta. Pranav Pawar, write your answer, beta. Superb, superb. I can see so many of you are writing it. Very good. Amazing, amazing. I can see all right answers coming in the chat box. Yes. Faisal, write your answer. Ansh, what is the answer, beta? Write the answer, bache. Yeah, correct answer, beta. Very good. Amazing. Let's check the answer. Ta 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 ting. Very good, Komal. What you can see here is that the Y in the fly has been changed to an IES. Single fly, एक fly, multiple यानी many flies. एक मक्खी, बहुत सारी मक्खियां. Right? We do it in Hindi also. Singular, plural. एक वचन, बहुवचन. Yes, this is what it is in Hindi. Now, there is one surprise rule. 4 main rule to hai, but there are one surprise rule. That is called, you can say it is called rule number 5, or you can say a rule that does not follow any rule. Okay. Now that is called irregular noun. Ganesh Rewari, you are in English class or Marathi class beta? आप लिखना बंद कर दो बच्चे. Please stop writing so that you can pay attention to what is happening in the class. आप दोनों भी चीज करने की कोशिश करोगे, कुछ भी याद नहीं हो पाएगा, कुछ समझ नहीं आएगी बच्चे. This is important.
Yes, Didi.
Yes, Ronak. Ronak, please read the title for me. Irregular noun.
It
Does not
does not
follow
follow and
any
of the
rules.
rules.
Thank you so much. Go on mute, beta.
Because
Wait.
Good.
Wait. Let me do it. Go on mute. Thank you so much. Now, one of the section of nouns of singular and plural form का एक problem या एक मजे का बात ये है कि उनमें एक list of irregular nouns है. Now, what are irregular nouns? One part of singular plural is irregular noun. Now, irregular nouns do not follow any rule. जैसे हमको नहीं चाहिए, हम rule नहीं follow करेंगे. No. They don't follow it. Follow ही नहीं करते हैं. So, what do we do in these case? How do we change them from singular to plural? So there are spelling changes for us to know that we have a single form or multiple or plural form. Now look at foot. Everyone, एक पैर उठाओ अपना, एक पैर. Lift one leg in the air. Only one leg. अपना एक पैर उठाओ. One leg. Yes, Ronak. Yes, that is 1 foot. What is it called? 1 foot. Everyone repeat. Foot. Yes, Ronak. Thank you. Put it down, Ronak. Put it down. Put it down, Ronak. Put your legs down. Thank you. That is called 1 foot. हम 1 foot पे चलते हैं. How many foot do we need? We need 1 foot. 2. Yes, Ronak said 2. So can we say 2 foot? No, we can't say 2 foot. We say 2 feet. If it is more than 1, if it is singular to plural, very good, Apurva. Yes, Apurva and Rakshit. हमें foot नहीं, feet की जरूरत पड़ती है. We need 2 feet. 2 happy feet. 2 happy feet. 2 happy feet. Yes, हम दो पैरों पे चलते हैं. 2 happy feet. Yes. Please sit up straight, Pranav Jadhav. This is not a sleeping time. Then we have child. If there is one child in the class, it is one child. Now, in this classroom, this online classroom, do we have one child? क्या मैं एक ही बच्चे को पढ़ा रही हूँ? No. Ronak says no. We are all children. Do you see? There is no Y, there is no IES, there is no VES, there is no ES, there is no S in the end. So all the 4 rules are not used here. Okay? So the 4 rules are not used in irregular nouns. Their spelling changes. I will be giving you a list of these words also. Man will change to men. Woman will change to women. Everyone, please repeat this on your mute. Woman, one woman, many women, women, yes, many women. Repeat, women. A lot of you say woman and women. It is not correct. Okay, so it's woman and women. Okay, women. That's how you say it. These are the rules that we will have to keep in mind. Okay, and 1 second. Okay, children, I need to stop something. Just stay on mute and stay here, children. Okay, let me see what went wrong. 1 second. Please stay here. Okay. Now, in the irregular noun, we will have one example. I will show it to you. We will not play as a game, but we will take note of what Didi is showing. Okay. The first word is tooth. Eyes on the screen. It is tooth. You can't add es. आप इसको es या s नहीं लगा सकते, आप इसको ies ves नहीं लगा सकते, चारों रूल्स इस पे यूज नहीं होते हैं. What will it turn into? Tooth, एक दांत, a lot of teeth. Please repeat. Tooth, teeth. Okay. Tooth, teeth. Okay, we go to another one. Mouse. Ronak, wait. Ronak, wait. Ronak, wait. Mouse will turn to mice. Mouse will turn to mice. So if it is one chooha, it is mouse. But if there are too many chooha, बहुत सारे चूहे लोग हैं, so it is mice. Okay? Keep this in mind. Didi will be sending you a list of all of this. Next one. And the last one. Goose. It's like a chicken. Okay? So it's a goose. But if you have a lot of goose, we call it geese. So the spelling changes. Do you see the spelling changes? This is important. Irregular nouns don't follow any rule. Now, Didi will be sending you a note like she had sent yesterday. और आपको notes के साथ exercise दी जाएगी and you will have to complete that exercise and send it on your homework.